nirok siga chung tini teman bag oro phaika Saturday wo kaisa paper leak mani nirok nukhana je TTDC government recruitment ngi tongu 110 posts aro Saturday wo kaisa paper leak ngka and aro thousands of students borok out law 5 settle ngka then chung je for information maka chung amano inquiry khaika am genuine then we find it very genuine boni bagai chung kaisa press list khaika dino and kabangma applicants rok sono contact khaika borok tema khainai and chung saka don't worry no justice chung serve khainai and chung tini oro governor bai malai gani phaijak chung bono appeal khaika to give CBI inquiry je mansak daiti CBI inquiry rogai reschedule khai exam no borok exam marathon chung appeal khaika and je culprit je o chaya samongo tongnai borok no punishment rogan bai chung appeal khaika
governor ke kam
governor bo to 13 tarik ko khainai bo out of station but secretary no chung rokha and bo place khainai bo saka tini bising na governor no place khaijagan and immediate action lajagan amo genuine paper leaking kha and TDADC ni je administration boroni taraf theke bo chung kaisa press briefing no ka amani log chung kaisa press release khaika te chinor kabang ma call phaimani ulo chung amana tama step na nai chung wasoka so chung tini governor bai malaiga phaimani chung appeal khaika CBI inquiry rogani bagai je culprit omo khainai no je manjak nai bono punish khaiga angthong amo sini TSM ni demand tongnai and students rock kabang ma panic ngi mana tani hamala why ni exam cancel angka chung borok no koinai borok ni loge chung basajak je mansak niro ni justice ni bagai chung tongo bon bai ni rok takri di je culprit no chung punish khaiga ni bagai chung appeal khaijak governor no chung appeal khaika bon bagai niro no chung appeal khainai niro ni support niro ni loge chung nang dei ani yago to mungsa khobor kri kho haipan mia from nukmani to khoroksan roja khana but sing appeal khainai je joto involved tonai aro khoroksa kini deng tong sing sia but je involved tonai rok no punishment rogani bagi bon bai na sing CBI ni kore sing tini sampai manenga